Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can show Spotify on lock screen. So the only way to show Spotify on a lock screen is to play your music on Spotify and close your phone. So by that I mean right now I'm on my Spotify. So I'm going to play this song called Killa Killa by KSI. If I play this song and while I'm playing this song, I turn off my phone and I turn it on again, the music is going to, keep on playing in the background. And when it keeps on playing on background, it's going to show me something like this, as you guys can see. So this is basically my lock screen and KSI's music is going to show up over here on the background just like this. So that is how you guys can show Spotify on lock screen. But if you're not able to see it even after running the music on your background, then the problem could be that you have turned off notification of Spotify. For that, you need to go inside your phone setting and scroll all the way down until you see Spotify. Once you see Spotify, click on Spotify. Come over here where it says notifications, click on it and make sure it's on if it is off like this. And at the bottom, make sure lock screen, notification center, banner, all three of this is on. Once this is done, basically you have done it. Now basically just play your music on background. It's going to appear on your home screen. So I hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this related to Spotify. I'll see you guys next time.